Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, we are at accessing props children. I think we have completed it. Okay, now we have the last thing to cover. It's been damn 1 week, bro, and I've forgotten everything. So before I forget more stuff, let me just have a look at my blank React app. And it happens, bro, that if you don't show up to a thing for a week, not by choice, I wasn't well. I can't give that excuse. I was busy, okay? Okay, that's more bad excuse to give. Okay, accessing a default values to props. No, I'll just go and chat GPT. As usual, they're just learning phase. What is this preview content is loading? I just want to copy this crap, man. Huh, it keeps getting better, bigger. Um, two props. What the fuck? Wait a second. Huh, close it. Oh, I get it. I don't, but I get it, kinda. I can't delete it. So weird it is. Anyway, God, Control Shift K doesn't work. I just wanted to simply just chat GPT. Okay, in React, you can assign default values to props using one of the common methods. Okay, giving a default value to props. I mean, I've done it already, haven't I? But anyway, let's just have a look. What is this? Okay. We'll understand it in our way. Um, Using what it was? Using parent and using parent and child component. Oh, in React, assign default values to props. Okay, child, and this is the child, and okay, okay. This kind of looks like more of the assignment which is given down there, which we'll try doing today if you understand it quicker. We have like 26 minutes, but let's see. Yeah, it's scary, man. New chat in React, you can assign values. What is this? Let me just read it through. In React, you can assign default values to props for component using default props property or default parameter syntax in the function component. Here's how example of child and parent component assigning default child component. This is the child component. Okay, you don't have to import any other component here. You simply need to import React. And this is a functional component in here. And I don't know what the fuck is this. Anyway, let's just keep reading. Const child, and we have destructured name and age from the props, supposedly. Yes. Like name and age are the variable which we're trying to access, like that. Let me try and understand that way. And it basically returns a div which is having name and age, okay, being injected after the text name and age with a semicolon and a space as in a two p tags. These are the divs and it will be returned. Okay, understandable. Setting default props for the child component. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, after the functional component, is it after the functional component? Yeah, it is just after the functional component. Okay, now we do child, the default props. Again, you can use this keyword as I told you. Default props, the keyword property. Okay, whatever you call it. Okay, you set it name to default name and age to 18. Okay, if for example no values are passed in it, so this will gonna get rendered. Again, understandable. You know what? We'll do this. We'll do this right now. Okay, keep reading. Or should I just copy this? I think let's just copy this. We'll name it as special child. Oh god. Anyway, why am I laughing on such serious thing? Parent component. Parent component, you just import that very child component you created const parent, and in that we have this sort of this, a functional component and arrow function being used here. I don't know the fuck we use arrow function here. Yeah, return keyword, and it basically returns a div. And the div, is it a big div? Yeah, it is a big div. What the fuck am I saying? Yeah, this is a div. Yeah. And we have an h1, and we have an h1, just an h1. What is this? Anyway, H1 parent component. What is this? Child with no props, default values will be used. I don't get this. Child with some props overrides default values. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. In here. Okay. Look here, no values is passed in, right? So no props is passed, it is a value. Okay. Here in one of the values of as you know it was name as well as age. So it just passes the value for the name but not for the age. But third one, both of the values will be overridden default values and export default parents. Okay. Alternative default parameters in the what is this? Oh, you can even assign the default values in the child component destructuring itself. That's kind of less code. This approach doesn't require a default prop. Static property doesn't work seamlessly. Okay, this approach doesn't require default property, property, and works seamlessly for functional component. So I don't you just simply use it anyway. So let's go out our blank app and just for a few seconds. Oh, this video is getting productive, and I beg to God that my audio is getting recorded. It is. Last time it didn't get recorded. I was super sad. Anyway, let's go to app.js and here we'll oh, okay. In the source file only we'll add one more file, name it special. I need to know the spelling, man. Dyslexic to spelling special. Next life I'll be master of spelling. I will be a spelling bee. Oh, why not be in this life? Special needs. Why am I like this? God, let me get special needs child. No, 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 special child. It's a good word, okay? Don't make fun of it. We do just simply JS, right? Oh, it did not change. Why didn't it change? Crazy. Okay, special child. No. Okay. Let me add the word special again. Needs no special child dot JS. Special child is not a valid name or a folder. Please. Why it's not a valid name? That's my question. Why? Is it already written? Special child one. Why? Why? I want to know. Chalua, chalua. Why? Why are we having issues? Okay, is the app running in some sense? That's why we're getting an issue. Hoo hoo ha ha. Bro, I mean, for real, bro. I want to go here and create. How do I do this? Child, children, child 007.js. Okay, this was easy to make. Why not special child? I'll try again. I don't care. Special. Oh, the word special is not to be used. Something is wrong with this. Look, I think something else was getting copied or look, I can do it. Why was it an issue? You know what we do? We don't care. Okay, simply first of all, you have to import React from capital R React from small r React with the coded. And we gotta create a functional component which we are very bad at creating, which I am bad at creating for real. We'll use this method to do it. Okay, so we don't have to get rid of everything. Crazy export child. Now it's like special child with special needs child. Okay. Mm-hmm. Child.pro special child. Looks cool, right? Mm-hmm. Good, good. So you have to just use this keyword in app.js. No, not this one. I suppose. Yeah, here only. You have to import it. Import special child. Okay, import successful. And here we'll do special child. How do we do it? You copy that and pasted it and shift B and okay, we just do this. It used to happen. Okay, it happened. Okay. So right now we have not passed in anything and by default it should come default name. Okay, let's just try. Let's just try and make it not work. Okay, we'll be having three iterations of this with some default values. I mean, why don't just straight up copy the default values from in here? Name is equals to Alice and name and okay, okay. These videos are getting a bit more professional from my way. I don't know why. From my side, not my way. Anyway. Okay, so we'll do control space and get rid of this crappy shit. What is this? Why does it look like the way it is looking? That debug console should 50-50 be there. CDI app, npm. Let's just pray that it doesn't fuck up. Fingers crossed. Look, oh, it takes lifetime to load. Default name and age. We are able to get it rendered. Okay, now we'll do what? We'll pass in non-default values like here. How do I get rid of this? Yeah, there should be a better way, right? Okay, by the way, just change it and you can see you got default name and age. Like name got overridden and but the age remained because as you can see we did not pass in any age. Like age is equals to nothing we have done here, just empty, so did not touch that part. It just kept the default value. Okay, now this is one way, and there's one other way we came to know, that is not writing that much crazy code for special child component. That means you can just straight up get rid of this part and assign it some default values like default name. I suppose this is how we do it. I don't know. We use equal to signs or semicolons. I have no idea. So let's just try seeing it. Does it work? Okay, that works same. Okay, from default name, we're gonna name it um name. Okay, nameless creature. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's so you see how fast this app is, which makes me so happy to see the changes getting rendered the very time I'm trying to make some changes in here. Let's just see. Okay, it took some few seconds actually, but it's fine. Hmm, you see that, right? Anyway, I'm like crazy happy right now to announce that we have completely successfully understood this part of the review, and we have instruction here to complete. We'll complete it in the next video because it's just too much, right? I don't want to pressurize myself too much. That's all. That my brain is my little baby. Just let it go. Let it go. There you go slowly. Anyway, catch you up later. Then take care. Keep developing. I thought I would forget everything, but I didn't. It's fun. Anyway, keep reacting.